How to add profession on Instagram bio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to Settings. In Settings, simply scroll down and then click on Account Type and Tools. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Switch to Professional Account at the top. Then in here, you can search for your work. I'm simply gonna add artist and make sure display on profile at the top is turned on. After you do that, simply press on the tick mark at the top right and you're good to go. You will find your work in your bio. This is how to add profession on Instagram bio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.